So magandang araw kabola, sa video na ito bibigay po natin ang ating pong updated po na mock draft kabola. So para before na po masimulan itong ating pong paparating na season, ibigay ko po muna itong ating pong sure that you will be excited about this upcoming draft. Excited na ako noon before pa yung 2023 draft, excited ulit ako as I start talking about the 2024 draft. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Pero before tayo pumunta sa mga mocks natin kabola, ito yung muna yung mga magandang pag-usapan in relation pa rin sa draft. First one, so ang main man daw ng Blackwater is walang iba kundi si Troy Rosario, and I think looking at the roster naman kabola, siya talaga yung pinaka-deserving, unless of course mag-pop agad si Christian David. Pero this shows also kung gaano po kapangit currently po ang situation ng Blackwater, kasi of course Rosario was never the main man in TNT. He was never even a top 2 player there, pero he needs to be the main man in Blackwater Elite. Sabi naman ni Chick Victolero, he embraces Magnolia Team Governor's challenge to win the PBA title. Actually, they really need to win now, or I think there will be a big changes sa kanila pong lineup. They finally made a trade this season kabola after being conservative about it, and I think if they will fail again, I expect big moves by this franchise. And I also have, of course, a very interesting import, a legit NBA prospect when he entered the NBA draft in Tyler Bay. I'm excited actually to watch Tyler Bay kabola, the defensive prowess that we saw in the NBA. Let us see kung paano po yan lalabas naman dito po sa PBA kabola. And then the last one is the Thomas Robinson, the other NBA veteran po for this upcoming season kabola, na na-surprise daw siya sa isa sa mga teammates niya. Sino kaya ito? Ay wala na pong iba kundi si Don Trollano kabola. Of course, we are also excited to watch Thomas Robinson. He is a legit lottery pick sa NBA kabola, a legit energetic guy. Of course, yung athleticism niya is really good. Tignan natin kung paano niya po, or kung madodominate niya po ba ang PBA. And hindi na naman surprising sa akin po ng kanya pong interesting or surprise the most po na player, si Don Trollano. The guy's already a top 10 in our latest po na top 100 ranking kabola. So ano ba yun natin? Ito na po ang ating mock draft. So So as you can see, Kabola, we have a very deep draft and I think it will be an exciting draft season. Kabakabal, sa palagay mo, sino ang dapat na number 1 pick? Comment lang po sa